Hello, welcome to my channel DesignerNDcode, and in this video we will learn about the tags in HTML. So let's get started. Hello, then welcome back, and I have started the VS Code, and now we will talk about the text. The first tag for giving a heading in website we use h1. H1 means the heading 1, and here I can write anything, just writing hello world. I will click on the go live so we can see a preview of our work. We have gone, and I will put my windows side by side. Now one thing I tell you all, that there are 6 types of H1. There are total 6 H1. H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5 and H6. So what and how they work? If I write H2 and hello world, you all can see it. VS Code gives us suggestion, and I save it with a Ctrl S. H2 is smaller than H1, then H3. I will copy it so we can talk about this firstly, and I save it. The H3 comes, and after that H4. I save it. H5. Then last one is H6, and as I save it, you all can see the different sizes of hello world in a designing form. The first one is very large and the last one is very small. This one is a heading tag. After heading tag, just I remove all these 3 of this 5 and save it. I will remain only H1, and I will give P tag. What is P tag? P tag is actually a paragraph tag. You all can know it. P for paragraph. So P tag. P tag stands for paragraph tag. So here I can write it. For writing a random words. For an example, we can write lorem, and the words, how many words you are giving. So I am giving 50 words. Alt Z. If your words are going through the window, you all can Alt Z, and you all can see these are in a row. And you all can see these are the paragraph as written. Now as I write here lorem 2, it will only write 2 words, so it is a best way to give an example in a website. Paragraph, for example. This is all for now. H1 and P tag. In next video, we all will learn how to design it not with CSS, with only HTML formatting. Hope you like this video. In next video we will learn different types of tags. So click the bell icon, subscribe my channel. Thank you.